know is January is always a month of leftovers. We make our meals from the leftovers we had during the festive periods, you know. That said, look at my chicken. I have just two chicken legs and I'm just gonna season this and see what I can do with it later. First of all, I'm gonna pat dry my chicken legs with some pepper towel. Now I'm gonna make some slits across the chicken legs so my spices can get into them legs. It's time for some seasoning. Just be generous with your seasoning, okay? Just place them on my baking pan like this. Yes, like that. Oh. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop it into the oven and let the oven do its thing. So I brought out everything. These are my leftover veggies, okay? I have this celery and I also have some leek, parsley, then I have some carrot, some bell peppers. In fact, there's just so many. And then I also have some broccoli that started changing its color. So we need to use these things ASAP because I don't want anything to go to waste. I have my rice, by the way, and then here I have some pineapple, and then I also have avocado. Now the idea is to saute some vegetables as a side, and then I'm also gonna make a salad, kind of like a pineapple salsa. And then I also have this crushed tomatoes here. This I'm gonna use to make that kind of like jollof rice. Okay, so at this point you're gonna see me again when I have chopped or sliced or diced all of the vegetables. You get it? Yeah. So guys, I'm done chopping. So for the carrots, I just, cut them into chunks. I have carrots in different shades here. You can see my broccoli. I have the purple one, the yellow one, the orange one. And then I also have my onions. So for now, I'm just gonna assemble a pineapple salsa. I'm going to combine pineapple, diced cucumbers, some diced red bell peppers. I just need to hurry up before this natural sunlight goes away. And then some nicely diced red onion, some diced avocado, chopped parsley, and then we're gonna squeeze the juice of one lemon. We'll season it with some black pepper, some salad spice, a little bit of salt. Now you're gonna toast that so everything combines and mix properly. This is so good. This is a perfect side dish for you. Now we're gonna pop this into the fridge and let it chill while we make our rice. So we're gonna heat up some oil, saute some onions, go in with some crushed tomatoes. So we're gonna let that to cook down. Add some ground garlic and ginger into the pot. Season with salt and your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Next, add in the washed rice and stir well to combine everything. Now for a little heat, sprinkle in some chili flakes and then you follow by some smoked paprika for that deep smoky flavor. Pour in chicken broth, just enough liquid to cook the rice in one go. Give it a final stir, cover and let it to cook on medium heat, and then a few minutes before it's done, garnish with some finely chopped herbs. It is simple, it is fragrant, and it is also flavorful. Now for the sauteed vegetables, you're gonna heat some butter or oil in a pan and then add chili flakes, some smoked paprika, garlic powder, and salt. I don't want bland vegetables here, okay? So toss your vegetables and saute until they are just tender and well coated with all that flavor. Everything's ready, so let's plate. Start with the rice and then you add a beautiful oven baked chicken leg. Then the sauteed veggies and finish with some pineapple salsa. Isn't that a gorgeous plate built entirely from leftovers? It's time to taste. This is magical. Mmm. 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 vegetable. Oh,